central Georgia, northern Johnson County and east central Georgia, southeastern Jefferson County and east central Georgia, until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Waupun to Wadley, moving south at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sandersville, Wrightsville, Wadley, Davisboro, Tannehill, Harrison, Bardo, Okanee, Ridgeville, Kite, Donovan, Warden, Rondale, Pringle, Moxley, Bellwood, and New Home. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see with damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664 to be